We're live or something?
Action.
Yeah.
Around 135,000 children are adopted every year in the United States. Maybe someone here today in this audience was adopted. If so, we have something in common. Out of those children who are placed for adoption every year, about 2,600 a year are adopted from the state of Ohio. On February 3rd, 2004, I was adopted from Defiance, Ohio at birth. I was then moved to Indiana with my new family. In addition, I have 4 siblings, 2 of them being married and 2 of them being younger, leaving me stuck in the middle. Being stuck in the middle is not that bad, but it still has its ups and downs. Overall, being the middle child is a very weird experience. Half the time, you expect to behave like your mature older siblings, and the other half of the time, you're treated like your younger siblings. Even though this can be very annoying sometimes, I've learned to deal with it. Throughout the years, I've done various sports such as soccer, competitive gymnastics, and competitive dance. About 6 years ago, my older sister introduced me to ballet. As soon as I stepped into my first ballet class, I knew I had a passion for it. Since then, I've competed in various genres of dance such as ballet, jazz, tap, lyrical, contemporary, musical theater, and hip-hop. Now, in ballet, there are 2 types of shoes. There are soft shoes, which are used for younger dancers, and then there are point shoes, which professionals and more experienced dancers use. Now, it's a big deal getting your point shoes because you have to work kind of hard for them. Now, these are my first pair of point shoes. They are really dirty because I wore them a lot, but these just mean a lot to me because you have to work really hard to get these. Now, besides dance, I'm also passionate about psychology and the functions of the human mind. Since I've always had a fascination with mentally deranged criminals, I intend to major in criminal psychology, which is the study of criminal behavior at Chapman University in California. Now, as you can see, being a middle child doesn't necessarily mean you're ignored or left out. I'm pretty busy doing activities anyways. Now, if you're adopted or if you're the middle child, I understand you to some degree, and after all, it's not bad being stuck in the middle after all.
That's good.